I'd like to say that I think all permutations, combinations, chemical reactions, everything's been tested before we agreed to do this film together.
When you were shooting with Shah Rukh and Wai, तो वो आपको टीज करते थे रणवीर सिंह के नाम से, तो रणवीर कपूर आपको कैसे चिढ़ाते थे इनके सेट्स पर?
Listen, Ranbir is very possessive of me and he doesn't like it when I talk about other people. So
सावधान. लेट तो नहीं है क्योंकि मैं भी 30 साल का हूँ, अभी तक मेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई है, मेरे दूध के दांत भी अभी तक गिरे नहीं है. तो आई थिंक वी आर टाइम्स नाउ कि वी शुड नॉट गिव डेडलाइंस टू मैरिज एज. जब प्यार होता है तो शादी होगी, जब शादी होगी तो फिर बच्चे होंगे. तो आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज अ नेचुरल प्रोग्रेस. आई हैव ऑलवेज मेंटेन्ड कि मी एंड दीपिका वर्क टुगेदर 4 years back now. It was our second film together and we were very new. We were still finding ourselves in movies as actors. And today when I work with Deepika, I'm really amazed because I can really proudly say that she's fantastic in the film, and seeing her growth as an actor, seeing her experience, her intelligence, what she has brought to the character. And it's amazing to work with co-stars like this because it only makes your job easier. If one would smile. See, when you have such a pretty smile, such a pretty actress working opposite you, you automatically can act like you're in love. It's not hard to act in love with her, but so I think it's amazing her growth as an actor, and I don't think there was any awkwardness. We both were really passionate about this film. We both were actually more nervous for Ayan. He is really our dear friend, and he's worked so hard on this film that we thought we should just bring our talent, the best of our capabilities to this movie, and then blame it on Ayan if it works or not. राज तो एक्चुअली ये डायरेक्टर्स जो स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं, जो लेखक स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं, उन्होंने दे कीप द नेम्स. मैं नहीं आता कि नहीं मुझे इस फिल्म में बर्फी, अगली फिल्म में लड्डू, फिर झंडू बाम और ये सब नाम, बट आई एम लकी क्योंकि आई थिंक नेम्स लाइक दिस विच आर लिटिल क्वर्की, इट स्टेज विथ यू. द फैक्ट दैट यू कैन रिकॉल माई नेम फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर, आई थिंक इट्स अ फन नेम, इट्स अ क्यूट नेम, बनी. एंड आई थिंक मे बी आयान थिंग्स के मेरे दांत जो है वो बग्स बनी के जैसे दिखते हैं, इसलिए उसने बनी लिखा है. बट ये मेरा कुछ काम नहीं है इस पे. आई हैवंट रियली रिटन दिस.
Overexposed Deepika, will there be an overdose of Deepika this time around?
okay, I'll leave. I mean, if you're like getting like, I'll go.
No, what I want to ask is more always good? I mean,
I've exposed myself time and again for the last 2 decades, so I'm the brand ambassador of overexposure. You're asking the wrong person. I think it's the first holy song of Dharma Productions, and I'm eternally grateful to Ayan who gave us this opportunity to display Holi in this beautiful and aesthetic manner on celluloid. Thank you, Ayan.